Fiverr is a freelance services marketplace that allows businesses and individuals to hire freelancers for various tasks and projects. Freelancers offer a range of services, including graphic design, copywriting, web development, video editing, and more. To use Fiverr, clients can create an account and browse through the list of available freelancers or post a request for services. They can then choose a freelancer based on their skills, portfolio, and reviews. Clients can communicate with their chosen freelancer to discuss the project's details and requirements, including the scope of work, budget, and timeline. Once the project scope is finalized, the freelancer will send a custom offer to the client, which includes the agreed-upon price and timeline. If the client accepts the offer, they will make the payment through Fiverr, and the freelancer will start working on the project. The funds are held in escrow until the project is completed and approved by the client. After that, the payment is released to the freelancer. Fiverr charges a service fee of 20% of the total project cost, which is deducted from the freelancer's earnings. Clients can also purchase additional services such as expedited delivery, project revisions, and more.